Ever missed a birthday wish or an important reminder? Scheduling texts ensures your messages are sent at the perfect time, even when you're busy or asleep. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule and reschedule text message on your iPhone. If your iPhone is on iOS 18, scheduling a text message is very easy. Open the Messages app, tap plus, then select Send Later. Choose a date and time up to 14 days ahead. Type your message and tap the arrow to schedule it. To reschedule a text, open it and tap Edit next to scheduled time. Choose a new date and time to send your message. You can also delete a scheduled message by long pressing it and tapping Delete. If you need to back up your messages, we recommend the Touch Copy app to export your conversations, including scheduled messages, to your PC or Mac. You can save them as PDF, HTML, or plain text. You can download Touch Copy free today. Visit touchcopy.com.